Hello teachers and students. I want to show you guys how to use Google Drive to turn a PDF into a Google Doc. Google Drive will do the translations for you. So here we go. Hope this is helpful. Keep in mind it works best with text like the ones I have here on the bottom right hand side and over here, and any of that stuff will actually work quite well. If it was something like math where you have a bunch of questions spread out or something like that, then you would probably have a little bit more trouble with that. So here's the message from the superintendent about COVID. So you right click on that and you find Open With, and then you go down to Google Docs, and then Google Drive will translate this PDF into a Google Doc, recognizing the text and organizing it pretty well actually from the original. So here's the example, created a Google Doc. Now this document is fully editable, and notice some sections of it aren't perfect. Might require some editing, but for the most part this can be pretty helpful for some things. Hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, send me an email, and or have any ideas on new videos to create and post. I'll be more than happy to do that. Have a great day.